Dear ZeeLancer, in today's tutorial we will learn how to create a website on the ZeeLance platform. Let's proceed. Click on Login, enter your username and password. Press the Login button. Once we are inside the dashboard, here we can see multiple options. In order to create a website or store, we click on Create Website or Store button. We will be directed to the next page where thousands of slots are available for booking. Choose the slot you want to reserve and click on it. Choose the suitable package as multiple options are available from 1 month to 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Select the suitable package and click on Book Now button. If your account balance is sufficient, your slot will be reserved. Click on Manage Digital Space. On Manage Digital Space section, we can see your newly booked slot. In order to activate your slot, click on Activate Slot Step 1 button. Select the currency of your choice. Remember, select currency carefully as you cannot change it later. Suppose we select USD. Once currency is chosen, click Select It. Once done, close it and proceed to the next step. Click on Activate Slot Step 2 button to enter your brand name in order to generate your brand subdomain. The system will show a subdomain preview. Click on Verify button. If subdomain is not conflicting with existing brands or businesses, we will be directed to the next step where we can select the theme of your website from available themes on the ZeeLance platform. Suppose in this case we select the theme Next Gen EduLink. Once done, enter your brand name, CR number, NTN number, your business address, business phone, business email, and your business custom website if you have one. If you don't have one, you can copy the newly generated subdomain and paste it here. Enter your business description as your business introduction and business-related keywords to rank your business at the top in search results. Once all done, click on Activate Slot with New Detail. Once done, all the website editor tools will be unlocked for the respective slot. You can click on the Preview button to view the pre-built dummy website of your selected theme, with fully graphical representation and content enrichment. In order to update website graphics and content as per your choice, go back to Manage Digital Space section, find that slot, and click on Website Editor button. Once inside the website editor, you can update any graphics or content presented on your website. Suppose we click on Logo or Monogram. An instruction pop-up will open. Click on Upload, select the image from your device, adjust to crop it, and click the Upload button. Once it's uploaded successfully, you can refresh your website to view your newly uploaded monogram or business logo. In the same way, if you want to change the graphics in the slider, go back to Website Editor, scroll down. Here we can see all images related to the slider. Click on the image you want to change. Suppose we want to change this image, we click on it, select the image from your device, and click on Upload button. Once done, you can refresh your website to view the newly uploaded graphics. In the same way, you can change all other pictures on your website according to your need. In order to change the color theme and content on your website, go back to Website Editor and click on Update Website Content. Once it's open, you can select the color theme of your website. Suppose we want to change it to dark red and green. Once done, scroll down a bit to enter your brand, business, and slogan, etc. In the same way, you can also change the other content on your website. You can use Ctrl F to search and replace content. For example, to change WhatsApp, we use Ctrl F, search WhatsApp, and enter your new WhatsApp number here in international format. In the same way, we can also change social media links, etc. Once all done, click on Save Changes. Once saved, go to your website and click to preview the changes on your website. That's good to go. No coding is required, no technical expertise is required. Just within a few steps, all is ready to go. To connect your custom domain to your website, please watch the coming next tutorial.